Almost 7 of every 10 business leaders believe cybersecurity risks are only escalating. That's probably because facts show they absolutely are. Cybersecurity experts estimate a cyber attack will happen every 11 seconds this year, nearly twice the rate of just 2 years ago. And it's cost $6.1 trillion annually, more than the economies of every nation on earth except US and China. Looking at stark numbers like those, it's no surprise that qualified IT security personnel is near the top of every business head's must-fill job list. If you want to launch a new career, even if you have never dabbled in cybersecurity before, the training in the 2021 all-in-one ethical hacking and penetration testing bundle can go a long way towards putting you in one of those well-paying jobs quickly. Across 9 courses packed with 46 hours of intensive training, even those who have no experience in cybersecurity can learn the fundamentals of hacking and apply those skills to become talented and proficient ethical hackers, safeguarding websites, apps, servers, and business networks of all shapes and sizes from cyber terrorism, hacking web applications, and penetration. Fast Start. This is a great place to open a cybersecurity education, featuring beginner-friendly introductions to how hacking is done, how to test systems of vulnerabilities, and how to apply the protections every system needs. In further courses, all created by online learning experts at Orc Academy, the training progresses, giving students hands-on experience with the processes and tools of the ethical hacker, from net scans to stopping common attacks like malware, phishing and password cracks, as well as how to defend potential that don't always seem obvious, including company emails and apps. There's training here in how to create your own free set of penetration testing tools, how social engineering can open system vulnerabilities, how to defend against Wi-Fi hacks, and even expert-level measures to support a network on a giant cloud platform like Microsoft Azure. Each course in 2021 all-in-one ethical hacking and penetration testing bundle is a $200 value on its own. But right now, if you use the code WeLoveMom at checkout, the entire collection is available for an extra 20% off the already discounted price, making it only $23.99. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, a subscribe to the channel would be incredible. This is SVR, catch you in the next one.